question over here. Question is find the okay, if A is equal to B plus A is equal to B plus C upon D plus E, although it is slightly cutted, dimension of B and C are this and this. So dimension of B is given to us LT minus 1, and the dimension of C is equal to L. Okay, these two dimensions are given. Dimension of ADE, that's what we need to calculate. Okay, so let's start solving this question. One thing is very clear, that A is equal to B and A is equal to this. Okay, and the dimension of B is equal to this entire. Why? So let's understand this thing. You can add 1 meter and 2 meter, but you cannot add 1 meter plus 2 kilogram. Okay, so these two should be equal dimensionally. Correct? Two dimensionally same quantities can be added or subtracted. So you cannot add two different dimension quantities, or dimension must be same. If this is length, so this must be length. If this is mass, this must be mass. If this is momentum, so this should also be the momentum. And ultimately the result which is coming out, that is 3 meter, this is also, this should also have the same dimension of mass, momentum, whatever we are taking. Suppose this is mass, this is length. Suppose if this is length, so this should be length, this should be length. Okay, from that case we can say the dimension of these two are equal. Dimension of A is equal to B and the dimension of B is clear to us, LT minus 1. So we have calculated dimension of A. One target is completed. Dimension of B should be equal to dimension of this entire, because two same dimensional quantities can be added. So B is equal to C upon D plus E. Okay, and is equal to A as well. Okay, so we already know the dimension of C. That means the dimension of B is equal to what? LT minus 1 is equal to C. Dimension of C is also known, L by D plus E. Dimension of D and E will be equal. Okay, dimension of D is equal to dimension of E. Dimensionally they are equal. Now the very next step is, so the dimension of I can say D or E, I should write, is L upon LT minus 1. Either you can write plus sign, no issue with that. Okay, the dimensionally they cannot be added, means D plus E means it will not be 2D or 2E. So L and L cancel out. The dimension of both of these terms, either D or E, will be T minus 1. So dimension of A is equal to what? Dimension of A is LT minus 1. Dimension of D and dimension of E is T minus 1. Hope this answered your question. Thank you very much.